Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the default font size, color, and theme in Outlook on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to launch it. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to access the customization settings that will let you personalize how your Outlook interface looks and feels. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your mobile screen. You'll notice the Outlook icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to open your settings menu. This will trigger a left side panel to slide out, revealing several menu options. From this panel, look for the gear icon, which represents your Outlook settings. Tap on this gear icon to proceed into the main settings area where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience. Once your Outlook settings page opens up, you'll see multiple configuration options. Look for the option labeled Display and Appearance and tap on it. This section is specifically designed to help you customize the visual elements of your Outlook app, including colors, themes, and text sizing. These settings are important because they allow you to create a more comfortable viewing experience that matches your personal preferences and reduces eye strain during long email sessions. Within the display and appearance settings, you'll see several options for changing the default color and theme. Browse through the listed options and select the color scheme or theme that appeals to you most. These themes can dramatically change the overall look of your Outlook interface, making it either darker for nighttime use or brighter for daytime viewing. Next, to adjust your default font size, look for the Density tab within the same display and appearance section. Tap on it to reveal your font sizing options. Outlook provides you with three distinct choices: roomy, cozy, and compact. The roomy option gives you larger text with more spacing, which is ideal if you prefer easier readability. Cozy offers a balanced middle ground, while compact displays smaller text with tighter spacing, allowing you to see more content at once. Simply select the font size option that works best for your viewing comfort and reading habits. And that's all there is to it. You've now customized your Outlook mobile app with your preferred colors, theme, and font size, creating a more personalized and comfortable email experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.